Welcome back. See the next problem. Earth's magnetic field at equator is approximately 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Weber per meter square is termed as Tesla. 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. Calculate the Earth's dipole moment. Calculate the Earth's dipole moment. And radius of the Earth is given 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. And the value of mu 0 is equal to 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 in SI units. Say this pair represents our Earth. These are the poles of the Earth. Say these are the magnetic poles of the Earth. And the point P is situated on the equator. Geomagnetic equator. We have to determine the value of magnetic dipole moment, Earth's dipole moment at point P. Here, say this is the dipole. Consider this is the Earth is a dipole. Center of the Earth is the center of the dipole. 2r is the length of 2r means twice radius is the length of this magnetic dipole, and distance of the point P is equal to radius. B means magnetic field on equator. As per as this dipole is concerned, this point P is on its equator. Therefore, magnetic field at point P means magnetic field at a point which is situated on the equator. BEQ is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 Tesla. We have to determine the dipole moment. Dipole moment is denoted by M, and the value of R is given 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. The equatorial magnetic field due to the Earth's dipole can be written as BQ is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi M divided by R cube. Value of mu 0 BEQ is equal to mu 0 upon 4 pi M divided by 4 pi, and what is the R? R is the distance of the point from the center, and here distance, the point is situated on the equator of the Earth. Therefore distance is radius of the Earth, and it is denoted by capital R. Therefore instead of small r we can write here capital R, and the value of capital R is given in this problem. But we have to determine the value of M. Now write this relation in order to calculate the value of M. Therefore M is equal to BEQ into 4 pi R cube divided by mu 0. The value of BEQ is given 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 4 pi as it is. The value of R is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 cube as it is, divided by the value of mu 0 is 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Therefore M is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into this 4 pi will get cancelled. 4 pi will get cancelled. 4 into 10 to the power minus 5 into the cube of 6.4 is 262.144 into 10 to the power 6 cube means 10 to the power 18 divided by 10 to the power minus 7. After simplification, we get the value of M is equal to 1.05 into 10 to the power 20 ampere meter square. This is the value of dipole moment of the Earth. Thank you.